In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QuickBooks Online account. QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting tool designed to simplify your business finances, whether you're managing invoices, tracking expenses, or running reports. If you're new to QuickBooks or looking to get started with an online accounting solution, this tutorial will guide you through the entire account setup process, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your own QuickBooks account ready to help you streamline your financial tasks. If you don't already have a QuickBooks account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. To begin, open your favorite web browser and go to the official QuickBooks website. Type in quickbooks.intuit.com and press enter. Once the page loads, take a moment to verify that you're on the legitimate website. You can do this by checking the address bar to ensure it starts with HTTPS, indicating a secure connection. This is an important step to make sure you're using the official QuickBooks platform. Now on the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. This will take you into the setup process. Here, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions about your business. These questions help QuickBooks tailor your account to your specific needs. If you're unsure about the answers or want to skip this step, you can also proceed directly to the Plans page. Once you're on the Plans page, take a look at the different subscription options available. QuickBooks offers several plans, each with its own set of features, so it's important to compare them carefully to find the one that best fits your business requirements. When you've decided on the right plan, click on it to continue. Next, you'll need to create your account. Start by entering your email address, then create a strong password that you'll use to log in. Add your phone number as well. This helps secure your account and makes it easier to recover if you ever lose access. After that, you'll be prompted to provide your payment details to activate your subscription. Make sure to double-check all the information you enter, including your email, password, phone number, and payment details. Accuracy here is key to avoiding any issues later on. Once you've reviewed everything, submit your information to complete the account creation process. Congratulations, you now have your very own QuickBooks Online account. Finally, you'll be taken to your new QuickBooks dashboard. Take a few moments to explore the layout and familiarize yourself with the tools and features available. This will help you get started on managing your business finances efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.